Okay folks, so red skin peppers folks, like most peppers folks, when you get them they're like this from a shop or any garden centre. Okay, now looking at the roots, you'll see that I'm guessing there's probably another 2 or 3 weeks left in this that you can keep in this pot indoors on a windowsill. Okay, the roots around the sides, they haven't hit the centre yet. Once the telltale sign folks is when anything, any pot, any shrub, when the roots start coming at the bottom, you need to transplant it as soon as, or get them into the beds. But these peppers folks, I'm going to transplant this into a larger pot. This is just a 1 litre pot, and I'm going to simply put a handful in, measure this up by putting this inside, making sure it's all nice and neat. Then turn upside down and slot it in, making sure it's straight folks, you know. And then what I'll do is, because this is quite a tight fit, I'll need to slap around the sides to make sure that there's no gaps. I'm just throwing this in around the sides folks. And this is a simple process of transplanting your pepper plants. Look at me, simple one folks. That's called red skin. Now with all peppers and chilies folks, they love sun, they love heat, and they also like a bit of stress. And what I mean by that is, most things need to be moist to grow. These guys, give them water, and then just before you think they're just about to dip their wee leaves and show you that they need water, just feed them with water or liquid fertilizer. They need to be stressed out. Never let these sit in constant water folks. They don't do well at all. Stress gives you stronger fruits, i.e. peppers and chilies. So I'll water these and then I'll let it dry out. Look at the leaves, and if they're sort of looking a wee bit wilty, just tiny wee bit of wilt, I'll fill them with water again, and then they'll dry out, and then they'll start wilting a wee bit. So I'll just keep the process going, and that's what these guys like. If you really want to do well in peppers folks, is if you can get I know it's probably the wrong time to do this, but a little fan to blow. They like to be moved, they like a wee bit of wind in their sails, which activates more root growth, you know. But that is the red skin pepper folks. Subscribe to me and I'll show you what to do next to the next stage, and we'll see what the peppers look like as well and taste like. I've never grown this variety before, red skin. Okay folks, stay tuned.